10 ways to make money. Number 1, drive for Uber or Lyft. Companies like Uber and Lyft offer a great opportunity to make some quick cash. You need a clean driving record, a fairly new car, and the authorization to work wherever it is that you live. If you have all of those things, you can work when it's feasible for you, whether that's in the middle of the day, during rush hour, or in the wee hours of the night on a weekend. The choice is yours. Number 2, become a market research participant. It's fairly quick money for not a lot of work. Companies looking for consumers' opinions on a variety of products and services put you in a room to garner your opinion. That's it. This often involves writing or stating your opinion, answering polls or surveys, or breaking off in a discussion group. The mechanics don't matter much. The point is that you can rely on it from time to time. Focusgroup.com is just one company that is looking for participants. Number 3, sell old books and games on Amazon. Amazon makes it fairly easy to list and sell old books, games, and devices on its marketplace. You can make more than just a few bucks if you have pricey textbooks from college. Be sure the books are in good condition. You'll get negative reviews if you attempt to sell books that are falling apart or games that are scratched up. Remember, be upfront about any defects, no matter how small they might be and no matter how few people might readily notice it. Number 4, sell or resell used tech on Craigslist. The market for used electronics is vast. You can use Craigslist to part ways with your old iPhone or your MacBook. You can grab a premium for these types of electronics. Some people even flip items by buying them and then reselling them. You could also use a website like Resell to sell your used phones, no matter what kind you have. Companies like that have made an entire business model out of buying used phones and refurbishing them. Either way, you can expect to get a fair bit of money relatively quickly if you have these items laying around your house. Number 5, do tasks with TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit lets you tap into an existing marketplace of people looking for help locally with chores. The tasks aren't always small. This platform, along with others, offers bigger tasks such as home renovations as well. Amazon is getting into the task business with Amazon Home Services. The services listed range from very small repairs to larger and more involved tasks that would take considerably more effort. Number 6, deliver for Postmates. You can earn some cash when you're in dire straits by using Postmates, and you don't even need a car, just a bike for deliveries in busier cities and downtown centers. Postmates states on their website that you could earn up to $25 per hour doing deliveries. You could also earn some tips in the process, so it's a great option for people that are looking to do something in their spare time, similar to the big ride-sharing apps that are hogging up app stores everywhere. Number 7, flip real estate contracts. If you're thinking this is cost prohibitive, it's not. You can flip real estate contracts without ever taking possession of the property. This isn't a fixer-upper endeavor, just securing a contract and selling it to an interested party. That's it. You can do this with just a few $100s in most cases to open up escrow. It's good for making a little bit of money, but it is also potentially something more long-term as well. Number 8, sell on CafePress or Etsy. If you can design digital items, you can sell them for a share of the profits on a site like CafePress. You can do this with nothing more than some design software. They can include custom logos, inspirational sayings, and other topical or trending designs appealing to the masses. You could hire a designer to assist you with this, but you still need to come up with the ideas. This works best if you understand design yourself, but requires no overhead. Items are printed and delivered on demand. You simply receive a share of the proceeds. Similarly, you could sell items on Etsy as well. Number 9, answer questions on Just Answer. People looking for expertise online. Just Answer and several sites like it allow doctors, lawyers, engineers, and others with enhanced knowledge to earn a small income merely answering questions from people who would otherwise have to pay a hefty sum for those answers. This platform is a great resource for people. It's also lucrative for the time spent. If you're looking to earn a bit of cash in a hurry, don't expect to get rich answering questions, but you can generate a few bucks here or there if you're in a bind. 10. Grab gigs on Fiverr. No matter what type of service you offer, you can likely offer it on Fiverr. This is terrific for digital services such as graphic design, web design, short audio or video clip creation, editing services, writing, and so on. Fiverr has expanded beyond just the $5 per gig model. Fiverr Pro pulls the best talent on its platform, and depending on your skills, you could do considerably well on here. Check out 40inbox.com